Number 1, letter alphabet. Number 2, phonetic alphabet.
Letter alphabet is used for writing. It has 26 letters. Phonetic alphabet is used for speaking. It has 44 sounds.
Fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times.
Tell me, what is sentence?
Sentence is a group of words with the verb that uses complete sense.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Sultania School, Public School, Salra and Alpha English Academy JNK for imparting us the art of public speaking.
English is an international language. It has two alphabets. Number 1, letter alphabet. Number 2, phonetic alphabet. Letter alphabet is used for writing. It has 26 letters. Phonetic alphabet is used for speaking. It has 44 sounds.
I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times.
I'm happy, I'm pleased, I'm glad, I'm delighted, I'm elated,
English is an international language. It has only 2 alphabets. Letter alphabet, phonetic alphabet.
Welcome and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. Well, this is Anjuman Farooq. I'm a student. I study in 9th standard.